Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever woken up with those stubborn under-eye circles that seem to have a life of their own? Or that puffiness that makes you look like you've been awake for 48 hours straight? If so, you're in for a treat today. We're taking a look at a game-changing product that promises to tackle both dark circles and puffiness, leaving you with a fresh, bright-eyed look. Let's talk about the BYOMA D-Puff plus Brighten Eye Gel. Now, this isn't just another eye cream. It's a hybrid gel serum formulated with some pretty powerful ingredients, like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It's designed to target those tricky under-eye areas, soothing and cooling the skin, while also providing hydration. Let's dive into what makes this eye gel a standout. The texture is light and refreshing. I was honestly impressed by how easily it absorbs into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. A little goes a long way, so the 0.688 Fallots bottle is going to last you a decent amount of time. When you apply it, the gel feels like an instant refresh. Think of it like a cool splash of water, but for your eyes. It's both calming and hydrating, so you'll feel an immediate sense of relief, especially after long days or sleepless nights. What really sets this eye gel apart is its barrier-boosting complex. With the addition of ceramides and skin-identical lipids, it goes beyond just treating the under-eye area. It helps repair and strengthen the skin's natural barrier, something that we often overlook in our skincare routines. This makes the skin more resilient, helping it retain moisture better, which in turn keeps your under-eye area looking plump and bright. Another thing worth noting is that BYOMA has taken great care in formulating this gel with sensitive skin in mind. It's alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and dermatologist-tested. For those with sensitive skin, this could be a real game-changer. The absence of harsh ingredients means it's suitable for all skin types, so no matter your complexion, you can trust that this eye gel won't irritate or clog your skin. As for real-world testing, I've been using this eye gel in both my morning and evening skincare routines, and I've seen a visible difference. Dark circles have noticeably lightened, and the puffiness that usually greets me in the mornings has significantly reduced. I've also used it after a long day of staring at a screen, and it's worked wonders in calming the area and providing instant relief. Let's talk about pros and cons now. On the plus side, the texture is light, it absorbs quickly, and the cooling effect is absolutely divine. It provides hydration and brightening benefits without being heavy or greasy. Another pro? It's cruelty-free and vegan, which is a bonus for conscious consumers. However, I do have a small critique. While it delivers on its promise of reducing puffiness and brightening the under-eye area, I would have loved to see even more noticeable effects on deeper wrinkles, fine lines. It's effective for mild puffiness and dark circles, but if you're looking for a heavy-duty anti-aging solution, this might not be your first choice. Now, is it worth the price? At around $25 for 0.68 Fall Otzers, it's certainly not the cheapest option on the market, but considering the formulation and the results, I do think it's worth it if you're looking for a quality, barrier-boosting eye gel. The addition of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and ceramides is a big plus, and the results justify the price tag. If you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives, but they might not offer the same level of barrier repair and high-quality ingredients. In comparison to other eye gels and creams out there, BYOMA D-Puff plus Brighten stands out for its unique formulation and skin-compatible approach. Unlike some other products that can leave your skin feeling stripped or tight, this gel works to restore and protect, which is a step up in eye care. The packaging is sleek and minimal, and the overall build quality is solid. The bottle feels sturdy, and the pump makes it easy to dispense the right amount of product. Since it's a gel, I expect it to last quite a while, which makes it a good value in the long run. As for customer support, I haven't needed to reach out, but BYOMA is known for its good reputation in responding to customer inquiries, which is always reassuring. Let's talk alternatives. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might consider trying the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream or the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream. Both are great for reducing puffiness and dark circles, although they might not provide the same barrier-boosting benefits. To wrap up, the BYOMA D-Puff plus Brighten Eye Gel is a solid choice for anyone looking to target dark circles, puffiness, and skin hydration with a thoughtful, barrier-boosting formula. It's lightweight, effective, and doesn't irritate the skin, making it a great option for daily use. While it might not be the strongest on wrinkles, it's perfect for those with mild concerns around puffiness and dark circles. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this eye gel, drop a comment below to let me know what you think. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.